Kenya. Kenya is a beautiful country of Africa and is enriched with classical beaches, forests and wildlife. A large number of species of mammals and birds provide great views to travelers of Kenya. There are different beautiful points and different thrilling activities which provide lifetime experience to visitor of Kenya. There is a beautiful river Malabar which is known as border between Uganda and Kenya. Scenic landscapes, finest beaches and large wildlife preserves are main reasons of fame of Kenya. Different beautiful national parks are full of hippopotamuses, cheetahs, elephants, lions and rhinoceroses. Its capital is Nairobi. Some of other memorable locations of Kenya are listed below. Shanzu Beach is situated on the Indian Ocean in Mombasa, a perfect place for a memorable beach adventure. The coast is famous for its gorgeous shores, enormous views, lofty palm trees, and untouched white sands. There are numerous housing situated next to the beach. Great place to spend a remarkable holiday. Shanzu is the beach north of Mombasa and the only entrance way is from Mombasa to Shanzu by bus or taxi. Another option to reach in Shanzu is from neighboring Bamburi Beach, which is not normal option in the afternoons. This beach is ideal for long walks because it is short and is enclosed by rocks from both sides, so only some beach boys sail a few things. It is great swimming point and is great windsurfing. Oliver Pejeta Conservancy is enriched with black rhino, white rhino and chimpanzees. It has special arrangements to rehabilitate animals released from the black market. It is situated in Nanyuki, amongst the foothills of Mount Kenya and the Aberdares. It is considered the best place for unforgettable adventures. Best time to visit it is June to September, and December to February. It is popular safari destination because it is great house of big 5-game Giraffe Manor. It is small hotel in Nairobi which provides luxury, accommodation and unique experience to its visitors with its decent facade, stylish interior, luxuriant green gardens, bright terraces and pleasant courtyards. Giraffe Manor is one of the Nairobi's exclusive boutique hotel and is set in 12 acres of private land in 140 acres of indigenous forest. It is one of Nairobi's greatest iconic buildings which has extraordinary appeal. There is herd of local Rothschild's giraffe that may travel in morning and evening and sometimes poke their long necks into the windows of Lake Nakuru. This national park is 1750 meters above sea level and is located in Lake Nakuru, which is also known as birdwatcher's paradise because it is greatest bird spectacle on earth. It is also protection house of birds and about 450 species of birds have been observed in this park. If you want to enjoy the most beautiful views of lakes in Kenya, then Lake Nakuru is best lake to view and visit, which is located in Lake Nakuru National Park and lies in the Rift Valley of Kenya. Uhuru Gardens. It is said that Uhuru Gardens is a haven on the earth. This charming town situated in Nairobi. Attractive landscape and planning, luxurious plantations and peaceful atmosphere are the major foundations of Uhuru Garden. Freedom from British colonial rule was declared at the park. So Government of Kenya constructed different independence commemorative monument views here. Rolf's Place. Rolf's Place is Leopard cliff mansion constructed resembling an old-fashioned fortress, situated just 25 minutes from Nairobi. A visitor enjoys panoramic view of Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Kenya and the adjacent Ngong Hills. The bordering game parks give one the exclusive opportunity to view wild animals across the valley. The Coral Gardens of Waisini. This beautiful garden is surrounded by mangrove forest and located in Waisini Island, which is about 100 kilometers south of Mombasa. Attractive scenery provides amazing sights. It offers a large number of memorable activities that will provide you a lifetime experience. The Aberdares buffalo, elephant, black rhino, lion, leopard, black and white colobus monkeys are common animals of Aberdares. The 160 kilometers long mountain range of hill gives some of the finest mountain views in the country. Masai Mara National Reserve. Masai Mara is a great safari destination to see wildlife up close and personal. Lions, cheetahs, elephants, zebras and hippos are common animals of this place. It has green plains, regular hills, and is crossed over by the Talek and Mara rivers. It is one of the famous wildlife sightseeing points in Kenya. 1.5 million wildebeest migrate from Serengeti, which consists of northern Tanzania and southwestern Kenya, to Masai Mara in July and leave Masai Mara for Serengeti in November. So it is said that Masai Mara is jewel of Kenya's wildlife viewing areas. Great Rift Valley. It is the land of largest lakes in the world, which are deepest and oldest also. Lakes of Rift Valley cover different countries of Africa such as Ethiopia, Kenya and Tanzania. It is linear-shaped plain between several mountain series and is enriched with natural beauty and worthy scenes. This valley is divided into Eastern Rift and the Western Rift, in East Africa. The valley of Western Rift is called Albertine Rift. In surroundings of Albertine Rift there are forest reserves, wildlife reserves and national parks. Kisamu Impala Sanctuary. It is key site for ecology and wildlife research and education. More than 115 species of birds are present here, enriched with flora and fauna. A large number of free-ranging and captive animals present here. It provides facility of different activities such as game viewing, driving, Lake Victoria viewing, hiking, trekking and boat rides. Dayani Beach. This beach is located on the Indian Ocean and is one of the most beautiful beaches of the world. The beach provides visitors great activities to enjoy. Dayani Beach also offers admiring scenery to its visitors. Meadow Creek. It is located on the Malindi-Watamu coastline. It offers several exciting activities such as fishing, bird watching, boat trips, mangrove walks etc. Meadow Creek is also an international bird area because it is ideal place for migrating birds from Europe and Eurasia to pass winter. There are 11 seagrass, 33 seaweed species and 9 mangrove species in this area. There are also 65 species of aquatic birds. Some of them are resident and some are migrants. Muyu National Park. If you want to visit one of the most popular and beautiful parks of Kenya and enjoy the company of large number of African animals such as eastern black rhinoceros, African bush elephant, Grevy's zebra, southern white rhinoceros, East African lion, African leopard, Kenyan cheetah, hippopotamus, then Muyu National Park is best place, which is located 350 kilometers from Nairobi. There are 300 bird species recorded in this park. Mohali, Missouri. It is scenic landscape, great ambience and luxury safari camp in the Kenya of Sir Richard Branson, situated in a surrounding crowded with wonderful wildlife. This luxurious camp is best place to enjoy the great wildebeest migration. Hell's Gate National Park. This small park is famous for its wide range of wildlife, such as lions, leopards, and cheetahs, and for its scenery. Hell's Gate National Park has thrilling charms and events such as the Mervyn Carnelli Raptor Hide, Hot Springs, the Olkaria Geothermal Station, Fisher's Tower etc. It is located at northwest of Nairobi. Mount Kenya, the most famous and highest mountain in Kenya and second highest in Africa. It has 11 small glaciers. Its height is 5,199 meters above sea level. The forested slopes are an important source of water. Beautiful snow-capped peaks makes the mountain attractive and outstanding. Mount Kenya is best place for adventurous climbing and trekking. Chaiulu Hills. Chaiulu Hills are great combination of beautiful hills and forest which provide natural environment to grow wild mammals and beautiful birds. Wild mammals like reedbucks, leopards, elephants, wildebeest, zebras, bush bucks, bush pigs, steinbok, Maasai giraffe, African cheetahs, Maasai lions, Grant sealands, and birds like Pogonocetus stellata, Bradipterus cinnamomus, Hieratus erose, Francolinus shellyi, Stephanotis zootherogurnii, coronatus are real beauty of Chaiulu Hills. Visit of head to Chaiulu Hills is a lifetime experience. Lamu Island. It is too much beautiful island which is a part of the Lamu archipelago of Kenya. The main established part of the island built in coral stone and mangrove timber. It is one of the first, well-maintained and greatest part of Africa. The island is connected by boat to Mokau on the central and to Manda Island. The Lamu Island is called the land of beautiful rolling dunes and attractive endless beaches. Environment of this island is very peaceful and relaxed. Kapsawo. It is one of the most beautiful town located on the eastern edge of the Trangani Hills overlooking the Kirio Valley. Days are warm while nights are chilly and rainy season is from April to August. This town is filled with quaint crisp breeze, charm and amazing scenic beauty. Gorgeous hills, Herds of cows and charming flowing rivers are its unique attractions. Other stunning, memorable and beautiful points of Africa for people loving to visit forest life